Fixed rates are climbing. Ontario just announced a major tax break on new homes, and Canada's banking regulator is warning that thousands of homeowners are heading into the renewal with fewer options than they think. Here's your Mortgage Minute for March 27th. First, fixed rates are rising. Every lender has raised their fixed rates at least 0.25% over the last few weeks. Some have moved them up twice. This isn't the Bank of Canada, which only impacts variable rates, it's the bond market. Fixed mortgage rates in Canada follow the 5-year Government of Canada bond yield. When oil prices spike, inflation fears go up. When inflation fears go up, bond yields go up. And when bond yields go up, fixed mortgage rates follow. That chain reaction is exactly what's been happening since the end of February. In fact, bond yields went up a lot last Friday. The 5-year yield is now at its highest point in roughly a year. If you are shopping for a home without a rate hold, get one now. It locks in today's rates for 120 days at no cost, and that way you're protected if rates continue to go up. Same goes for renewals. If your mortgage is coming up in the next few months, we can hold a rate for you well before that date. It's never too early to start the conversation. Second, Ontario's HST rebate on new builds. Starting April 1st, qualifying new builds in Ontario will be exempt from the 13% HST. That's up to $130,000 off of a home priced at $1 million. This program runs for 1 year and applies to all buyers, not just first-time buyers. If new construction is anywhere on your radar in the next year, the math just changed. Lastly, a warning about mortgage renewals. Canada's top banking regulator spoke at a conference this week and didn't mince words. Up to 150,000 Canadian borrowers are heading into the renewal in a difficult position, specifically those who have seen their home equity erode as prices have come down and who are already carrying significant debt. The concern isn't that they'll miss payments, it's that they'll have to renew with their current lender because they won't be able to pass the stress test to refinance anywhere else. No rate shopping, no restructuring, effectively stuck. This is concentrated in Ontario, where prices in some markets are down close to 30% from their 2022 peak. If you bought near the peak and your renewal is coming up, get a current picture of your equity before that renewal letter arrives. I can help with this. Once you're signed, your options narrow quickly. Before you sign, they're still open. Text me or call me, 249-480-1249, and I'll show you what this week's news means for your specific situation. Have an excellent weekend.